Welcome to Montepulciano, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Italy. This charming hilltop town, known for its medieval and Renaissance architecture, offers a timeless experience for every traveler. As you wander through the narrow, cobbled streets, you'll be transported back in time. The historic Piazza Grande, the heart of Montepulciano, is a must-visit. Here you can marvel at the stunning Palazzo Comunale and the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, each telling stories of a rich past. Montepulciano is also a haven for film enthusiasts. This picturesque town has provided the backdrop for several iconic movies. Fans of the Twilight series will recognize Montepulciano as the setting for the dramatic scenes in New Moon, where Bella races against time to save Edward. The town's breathtaking beauty and historical allure made it a perfect choice for the film's climactic moments. But Montepulciano's cinematic appeal doesn't end there. It has also been featured in the classic film The English Patient, where its stunning landscapes and timeless architecture added depth and character to the story. Beyond its cinematic fame, Montepulciano is renowned for its exceptional wine. The town is the proud producer of Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, one of Italy's most esteemed wines. Dating back to the 14th century, this full-bodied red wine has been enjoyed by nobles and popes alike. Visit one of the local wineries to partake in a tasting session, and let the rich flavors and complex aromas transport you to a bygone era of elegance and refinement. Learn about the meticulous winemaking process and the centuries-old traditions that have been passed down through generations. No visit to Montepulciano would be complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. The town's trattorias and osterias offer a feast for the senses, serving up traditional Tuscan dishes that are sure to delight. Savor a plate of handmade paisai pasta, coated in a rich ragu sauce, or enjoy a hearty bowl of ribollita, a traditional Tuscan soup made with bread and vegetables. Pair your meal with a glass of Vino Nobile, and let the flavors harmonize in perfect symphony. For those who seek a deeper connection with nature, Montepulciano offers an array of outdoor activities. Hike through the lush vineyards and olive groves that surround the town, or take a leisurely bike ride along scenic trails that offer stunning views of the Val di Orcia. Montepulciano is a town where every corner holds a story, every vista offers a picture-perfect moment, and every experience leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're a history buff, a film lover, a wine connoisseur, or simply someone seeking a serene escape, Montepulciano promises an unforgettable journey. So come, explore, and fall in love with Montepulciano, a town where history, culture, and beauty converge to create an enchanting experience that will stay with you long after you've left.